Hey, it's James here from GoodGuitarist.com, and today I'm going to show you a simple way to strum Moondance by Van Morrison. Let's just take a quick look at what we'll be learning today. This is basically a 3-chord song. I mean, we take the A minor chord and we drag it up 2 frets to make this like B minor / A kind of chord. But, you know, so it's like a 3.5 chord song, I guess. Just uses some basic chord shapes. If you need any extra help with that stuff, I have a free ebook. It's free for all my subscribers. I'll put a link in the corner and down below. It goes over all the fundamentals. And while you're down there, if you could take a moment to subscribe to the channel and like the video, if you enjoy learning guitar with me, I would really appreciate that. Anyways, we're gonna jump right in. This song is in the key of A minor. So we start on an A minor chord. And then we're going to be switching to D minor a lot, so it's a good idea to get used to that. We're going to take our entire A minor shape and we're going to move it 1 string up, and then we stick out our ring finger. So that's a really convenient way to make the switch. To go back, we just bring our ring finger back in and go back up to A minor. You know, that's magic. You know, we go between those chords a lot. We're also going to be going A minor up 2 frets to B minor 11 / A, I think we would call it, but really it's just A minor shape 2 frets higher. And that's the other thing that I would get, you know, spend some time getting used to, right? Make sure that you're moving your thumb with your fingers and you're not just like leaving it behind one way or the other, because that's going to cause a lot of tension in your wrist, right? Now, I guess the main, not riff, but the main thing that the song does, it does that whole bunch. We're starting off on our A minor and we do a downstroke. And then on beat 2, we slide up 2 frets to the B minor 11 / A chord. And we go. The pattern is up, up, down. But what's more important is the counting. We switch to the chord on beat 2, and then on the and of 2, up. We miss on beat 3, on the and of 3, another upstroke, and then a downstroke on beat 4. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and switch and 3 and 4 and. So I want you to take a look at it. Take the time to count it out. Switch between the chords on beat 2. That way, even the switch is part of the rhythm. It'll make it a lot easier to keep the strumming pattern going nice and steady. And that's the main thing that you want to work on, right? So just 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And you'll notice that I'm muting the thickest string with my thumb. That's optional. Just sounds a little bit cleaner when you do that. But if you're newer to guitar, I recommend leaving your thumb on the back of the neck, because you got to develop the muscle between your index and thumb first before you can start to kind of do little things like that. Basically, we do that 4 times to open up the tune. And then we do it, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 times for the first verse. And then we have the pre-chorus. And here are the chords for the pre-chorus. D minor to A 3 times, and then D minor to E. And there's a couple rhythmic shots here. So let's just go through this whole thing. We start off on D minor, and we're going to use the most common strumming pattern ever. Down, down, up, up, down, up. And you can really feel the rhythm open up when we switch to this strumming pattern. We do it one time on D minor, then one time on A minor. And by the way, if you need help learning this pattern, I have a page on my site that goes over it. So it's also in my free ebook. It's in my course, Learning Guitar Once and For All. It's everywhere. Anyways, we play it one time per chord shape. D minor, A minor, D minor, A minor, D minor, A minor. And then when we go from D minor to E, we just strum D minor once. And then I like to touch my hand to the strings to stop them from ringing. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I strum on beat 1, and I stop it on beat 2, and I count 3, 4 to keep my place in the music. Same thing on the E chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just play through the entire pre-chorus just so we can get a feel for it. 1, 2, 3, 4. The night's magic seems to whisper and hush. You know, the soft moonlight seems to shine. And then we go into the chorus. Can I just... And here, I'm going between A minor and D minor, using the same pattern from this part. The exact same pattern, it's pretty much the same thing, except we're switching to a different chord. We go 1 and switch to D minor on beat 2, up, down, 1, switch, up, down. And we go between A minor and D minor 7 times that way, and then we go. So for that, we strum A minor on beat 1, and we switch to an E chord for beat 2, and then we count 3, 4 as the E chord rings out. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's play through the chorus. 1, 2, 3. Can I just have one more moon dance with you, my love? Can I just make some more romance with you, my love? And that's it. Musically, there are no other parts to this song. You just keep repeating all the stuff that we did. For the verse, you do that. There's the pre-chorus. It's magic. And then the chorus. And you get used to putting those all together. If you want to play through some of that with me, I have that on my Patreon page with the chords and lyrics at the top of the screen. I'll put a link for that. And while you're down there, don't forget to grab your copy of my free ebook. And if you'd like a complete path from start to finish, from, even an absolute beginner all the way to confident strummer, please check out my course, Learn Guitar Once and For All. It's designed to help you build up that solid foundation so that you can easily play a song like this, just wherever, whether it's in your living room or you go to the open mic or you're at a party. You're going to be able to confidently go up and bring your guitar and play some music. It also comes with access to the Good Guitarist community, which is a place where you can interact with myself and other people who are taking my courses. It's exclusively for people taking my courses. I'll put links to all that information down below. Otherwise, if you enjoy learning guitar with me, I would really appreciate if you could take a moment to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, let me know how you're doing in the comments down below, or even just say hi. Have a fun time practicing, and I'll see you soon.